Welcome to the AI Opus, or as we like to call it, Heyo, I'm Sarah, your friendly guide to all things AI.
And I'm Mike, your curious co-host, ready to ask all the questions you might have at home. Hey Sarah, how's it going?
Hey Mike, I'm doing great, thanks. We've got a packed episode today with some really exciting updates in the AI world. Ready to dive in?
Absolutely, let's get started.
All right, first up, we've got some news about Accops and Pi Labs. They've teamed up to tackle the growing issue of deepfake-enabled identity fraud.
Deepfakes, those are the manipulated videos and images that look incredibly real, right?
Exactly, Mike. They're becoming more sophisticated, and that's where this partnership comes in. Accops and Pi Labs are combining facial authentication with AI-powered deepfake detection. This means they can verify identities in real time, which is crucial for businesses, financial institutions, and government agencies.
That sounds like a game changer for security, especially with things like virtual hiring and online banking.
It really is. By analyzing facial inputs, they can block synthetic identities before any damage is done. It's a proactive approach to a growing problem.
Speaking of proactive, what's up next on our list?
Next, we have news from 2AM VC, a venture capital firm that's just launched its second fund aimed at investing in 30 Indian startups.
Wow, that's quite a commitment. What's their strategy with this fund?
They've allocated 60% for initial investments and the rest for follow-on rounds. This follows their previous $10 million fund, so they're clearly expanding their investment portfolio.
Sounds like they're really betting on the innovation coming out of India. Why focus on early-stage investments, though?
Early-stage investments allow them to support startups from the ground up, helping them scale and succeed in the long run. Plus, it's a great way to tap into fresh ideas and technologies.
Makes sense. And speaking of fresh ideas, what's this about a new startup called Utori?
Utori is a fascinating one. It's founded by ex-Meta AI executives, and they're diving into the world of autonomous AI personal assistants.
Autonomous AI personal assistants, like a digital helper that does everything for you?
Exactly, Mike. They've secured $15 million in funding led by Radical Ventures. Their first product, an AI Chief of Staff, is set to launch a closed beta this spring. It's designed to help manage tasks and streamline daily operations for its users.
That sounds like it could really boost productivity. I can't wait to see how it performs in the real world.
Definitely one to watch. Now moving on, AI startup Twin has partnered with fintech company Kanto to introduce an automation tool called Invoice Operator.
Automation in invoicing. That sounds like a time saver for businesses. How does it work?
It uses OpenAI's CUA model to handle the complexities of retrieving invoices from various websites. It's user-friendly and doesn't require much technical expertise, which is great for business customers.
So, it's essentially making the invoicing process seamless and efficient. That's pretty cool.
Absolutely, and it's a fantastic example of AI simplifying daily business operations.
Now, I hear there's something going on with India's approach to AI. What's the scoop?
Indeed, India is spearheading its own large language model under the India AI mission. This is in response to concerns about the long-term accessibility of open-source AI models.
What kind of support do they have for this initiative?
They have significant government backing, leveraging diverse national data sets and resources like AI Kosha and Compute Portal. It's all about ensuring strategic autonomy in AI within the next 10 months.
So they're really aiming to keep AI development in-house and open.
Precisely, Mike. It's a strategic move, especially with some companies shifting towards closed-source models.
And finally, I've been hearing about AI web crawling bots causing a stir. What's going on there?
Yes, AI bots are overwhelming websites, especially in the open-source sector. Developers are getting creative with countermeasures. For instance, solutions like Anubis use proof of work and other tactics to mislead bots with fake content.
It's like a digital game of cat and mouse. So developers are fighting back against aggressive scraping?
Exactly. It highlights both the challenges and the resilience of the community in maintaining the integrity of their content.
Fascinating stuff, Sarah. It's amazing to see how dynamic the AI landscape is.
It truly is, Mike. And that wraps up our news for today. Thanks for joining us on TAO, everyone.
Absolutely. It's been a blast. Don't forget to tune in next time for more updates and insights.
Until then, take care and stay curious.